We're changing this up, going from Carlin Weld to Tremaine. Change the parameters in the drone. Change some settings. It should do better. Taking up to 200 feet. We are gonna make it there. Was it like 3 miles? Oh, 150 foot. We are going to Tremaine. %power. Nice snowy morning. 150 foot.
You're at 500 feet. Or no?
We're going to Tremaine. We're gonna make it there. I think it's like 3 to 4 miles down, ain't it? Let's turn it a little bit this way. Got what, 19 satellites? We should have no problems. So what, now we're at 2 miles, right? At 1,700 feet? No, we need 20.
1,500 feet's a mile, so you're over a mile.
What's, yeah.
3,000 feet's 2 miles.
3,000 feet? We're almost there. We're almost, wait, oh, that can't be 3 miles. Is it 3 miles? Right now we're coming up to 3,000 feet. I think there's too much interference in the park. That's why I couldn't get out. Okay. 3,200 feet.
How fast are you going?
20 miles an hour. Oh, 3,600 feet. I think we're gonna make it there.
Is that 106? You're almost flying over 106, ain't you?
We're almost at 106. Got good battery, 80 some. 4,000 feet. Oh yeah, we're going. We're gonna make it. Look at all the snow. Almost 5,000. I'm recording in 720p now. Oh, we're still doing good. We're over 5,000 feet. 150 feet up. Let's go up a little bit. Let's go up. Let's go up. 200 feet. What the hell? Did we pass it? Oh no, there it is. There's 106, right? Wait. Is this the church right here? Oh, we're in the yellow at Almost 7,000 feet. I think now we're going over the church. Let me put this gimbal down. Yeah. Come on, we can make it there. 7,000. We got 80% power. 200 feet. We're in the orange, but I think we're gonna do it. Oh, we're so close. Oh yeah, almost 8,000 feet. We're almost at Tremaine. Oh man, it's a lot further. Come on, baby. I think this is 3 or 4 miles. I'm at almost 9,000 feet. Tell me what that is. There it is. There's Tremaine. We made it. Told you, sons of bitches. Told you. We freaking made it. Oh, we're almost at 10,000. We're almost 10,000. And there she is. We made it to the park. We made it to the park. We made it to the park. We are now at, let's go to 10,000 foot and look around. How much power? We got 76 power, 10,000 foot. Let's take a look. We made it to the park. This is crazy. Should we keep going? See if we can make it past the park. Alright, let's go. Let's see if we can make it past the park. Let's see. Let's fly over to the house. I could land at the house. That's funny. This is, there's a little bit of, don't turn around, don't turn, it's turning around. No. Don't turn around. Don't turn around. Don't, you bastard. She's coming back. She's coming back. No, let's turn around. No. We gotta exit out of there. We're exiting out of there. No. I want to make it to the house. Come on. You got this. Oh, it's getting finicky out there. Look at all the snow. Come on. Make it to the house. Losing control. Alright, stop right there. Okay, go. I'm not gonna make it. It won't let me. Alright. Let's come back. We made 10,300 feet. Our battery, we got 69% battery.
10,000 what feet?
10,300. On a snowy, cloudy day.
5,280 feet is miles. You made it 2 miles?
Yeah. Oh, that's That's only 2 miles we made it?
So, let's see how many feet are in a mile. How many feet are in a mile? 5,280 feet.
So we made it just about 2 miles?
How many feet you make it?
I thought it said 10,300. Let's take a look around out here. Actually, let's go up, huh? Well, let me go up. Oh, losing it. Damn. It won't let me mess around that far out.
.95 miles.
1.9, not even 2 miles?
Almost. Did you make it all the way to me?
Yeah, just over.
Maybe the Doppler radar over there fucked you up.
I hope the video is better in this one because I put it 720p. Because Facebook apparently can't handle 4K. Coming home, coming back. 60% power. And she's flying back. It's cold out here today. Let's see that. We're gonna go to Ball Bluff. We're gonna fly this thing out a good 6-7 miles. I really hope the video is better that I did it in 720p. Hello.
Hey, Adam, Steve from Matt's Auto.
Hi.
Okay, yeah, you ain't getting nothing, like you say, from the ignition switch to that wire. Yeah, and that'd be the
Ay. He's on the phone. Nice snowy scenery, huh? She's coming back. Well, next time we're gonna make it further. I think it's this cloudy day. I knew she'd go past 106. She's messing with me. I had to change the parameters inside the unit here. Let's see if I can look around now that she's coming back. Cold out here. Oof. I try to slow the gimbal down in the settings too. Oof. Nice snowy morning. She might be getting a little wet up there. Hear that wind out here. Oh, it's cold. Let her do her thing. She's gonna come back this way now. Oh, man, it's brisk.
Alright, I'm calling Jerry again.
What? We're almost back. Starting to snow again. She's getting snow on the propellers. Couldn't you wait 5 minutes?
Alright, I need you again.
Man, some people, I tell you. Oh yeah, 42% power, 240 foot. Ooh, I think we're right there. I think I see the park. We are at Carlin Weld. I don't see her. I'm not here yet. Where are you? I don't see her. There's the car. Whew. Why does he gotta be on the phone? Really? Are you done? Stop phone now. We're back. Alright. Turning that off.
Where is it?
Overhead. Let's take a look around the park here. She's overhead.
Go to Pomona.
I'm down at 37% power. We could probably make it to Palmyra now from here. Next time. Let's get down. Ooh, she's probably cold up there. She's like, I'm freezing, man. Bring me down. Let's see. Been a while since I've been at the park here. She's like, oh, it's cold. Alright, let's bring her back. See if she lands in the right spot this time. She's coming home. I really hope the picture turns out better, the video. Alright, let her land. Let her land. Coming down. Shut that off. Alright, come down. Made it to Tremaine.